everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about Opencv, the famous computer vision library. So, after this explanation, I'm going to give you a mini project which is detecting the faces from the webcam with the code. So, first of all, what is Opencv? Opencv stands for Open Source Computer Vision Library. So, it is a set of predefined functionalities which are mainly focusing on image processing. Yes, image processing can be done to Opencv, which is the state of the art of machine learning and computer vision. So by using Opencv library, we can perform complex operations of image processing with little lines of code. So what actually Opencv is, like, it contains more than 2500 optimized algorithms, and it contains a state-of-the-art computer vision and machine learning algorithms which performs pre-processing and pre-training in a very comfortable and easier manner, and it is very easy to use in your applications also. So what are the interfaces supported by Opencv? Opencv can be implemented using C++, Python, Java, MATLAB, any language. With any dependency, we can just install the Opencv library and we can use it freely and comfortably in our preferred language. And operating systems, it supports all famous operating systems like Windows, Linux, Mac OS, also mobile operating systems like Android. So what are the areas of Opencv which we need for, like in image processing applications, like detecting the faces, recognizing the faces, detecting objects from the image, or action classification, image classification, like comparing two images and matching with the image that consists in the database, and finding similar images when input of an image is given, and filtering the images, converting the low clarity image into high clarity image, and like tracking the moving objects and extracting the 3D models from the object. These are all the various areas of Opencv, and they are not limited. They can be extendable to any areas of image processing. Like the big companies like Google, Yahoo, Microsoft, Intel, IBM, Sony, Honda, Toyota are already employed Opencv to ease their workload and to ease their application level accessibility to all the users. So these are all the beauty which can we do using Opencv. So now we can see a small project on face detection using Opencv. And yes, this is a project folder. So within a few lines of code, I'm going to detect my face here, which detects eyes, which detect the smile as well as the face with the code. And yes, this is the code for the project. And see there. So to detect the faces, we need to install the Opencv library here. So that can be done through command prompt. If you have the Python installed in your computer, so just type pip install opencv-python in your computer or in your command prompt, so that Opencv will download automatically. So we need to import that by using the command by using import cv2. So Opencv can be imported using the name cv2. And we need another thing to detect the faces, that is R cascade. So what actually R cascade is? R cascade is a classifier like which performs some functionality based on the training we gave to the model. So in this, I have trained my R cascade classifier with detecting the faces and with detecting the eyes as well as detecting the smile. So like these three are the R cascade files. The first one is R cascade i.xml, R cascade frontal face default.xml, and R cascade smile.xml. So I have trained my R cascade with three different features to detect. So and next we are importing, like we are initializing the variables like face cascade, eye cascade, and smile cascade with the default R cascade XML files. And after that, we are defining the function, like to detect the face or to detect the eyes or to detect the smile. We are setting a grayscale size, a frame size, so we are setting entirely. And after that, we are importing permissions from our system to use a webcam, because we are going to detect the faces through webcam. And this is the code. Like I will put entire code in the description. You can check and you can try also. So now let us run this project. and yes, it is a project. So I think you like this video, and you can find the code in the description section. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you.